focus on the road because I don't want to die. But yeah, so it's Friday, and we've got the little drone meet going on, and we're on our way up there to go do that. But it freaking got rained out, kind of. It's just like two little cells. I don't have the ADS-B thing to come up and show you. I've got that it's like just over the spot, right where I was like, all right, cool, let's meet up here. And I don't know if anybody's even showing up to this thing, which is cool, because if nobody shows up, then awesome, it's Friday, I got tacos, and no matter what, I still got to fly drones. It's a good time. But yeah, we're gonna get to the spot, and we're gonna go check it out, and see if it's raining its butt off. Woo! All right, we are here, and it's just wet enough to have a fun game of the floor is lava, and I'm surprised it's not stupid hot and humid out right now. But yeah, I guess the little storm moved on. But yeah, now we're just chilling. Oh god, gonna clean that, sorry. Yeah, now we're just chilling, and we're gonna probably wait for no one to show up because it's the first meet, and that's just how things go. But like I said, even if nobody shows up, I don't care. Go rip a quad, we're just hanging out. There's a little 18-wheeler, and you know, make bug in my face. It's to make a video. I don't know if you can see that plane coming over. That's fun. But yeah, I'm just hanging out, getting tanks set up, and waiting for the homies to show. So I don't know if it's gonna pick up this. Looks like a Cessna. He's definitely on lineup for KCXO over there in Conroe. Which, speaking of that, I need to go make a video over there. But yeah, we're gonna wait on peeps to show up and rip some quads. Woo! So it rained on us at the other location, and yeah, now we're here at this location, and pretty much canceled the meet because it's probably gonna rain here on me. So I'm gonna go rip a pack. I didn't get to rip a pack at HEB because it just rained on me way too quick. Rained before I can get it done, like as I was getting shit together. Anyways, I'm gonna shut up now, and I'm gonna go rip a pack. Woo! But yeah, no one showed up for the meet. We're cool. It got rained out anyways. And I hope you enjoyed flying like a bird on crack on a VHS tape. Anyways, thank you so much if you got this far. Big shouts out. Can't even talk straight, but we're just gonna keep sailing through that shit. Yeah, shout out to Bartman Dude, Safe Zone FPV, Cyber Operator, Lambo Drive, Spider Sugar FPV, Mountaineer FPV, Mountain FPV, How High Drones, Flapjack FPV, Nick Owens FPV, and Off Axis. They got a really cool channel. Yeah, it was really cool to see Bartman Dude on there and get to see how he got into flying drones and stuff. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll shut up now, and you guys have an awesome weekend. Woohoo!